So guys, let me tell you something. When Terri Lyons came on this show, the very first time she came on this show, I rolled out a recipe and cooked for her. And I think I did a salad.
A salad.
A salad. Terri watched me on air we live, and Terri say, you make a salad for a lion? So I never ever made that mistake again. Every time she came on the show, I made sure to have some kind of meat because Terri loves her belly.
Yes.
And she's a meat eater.
Yes. I'm an eater.
You're an eater.
Yes.
You're an eater.
I'm an eater.
So this, I'm going to do another dish for you this
So
morning,
meat,
this
right?
evening, yeah.
Nice,
yeah.
meat.
And I have chicken.
Good.
I have chicken. Now, I hope you came hungry.
I was hungry.
Yeah, you're always hungry. What we promise you on the show is come hungry and you're going to leave happy by the end of the night. Okay. Yeah? I am going to do a little twist. One of the things that I always love to do is put twists on recipes, guys. I read, as you see on my chef jacket, I'm not a chef, but I read recipes.
Okay.
My wife has 100,000 cookbooks, and I have been reading cookbooks ever since we met.
Okay.
So now I could turn a recipe upside down in my head.
And just flip. Okay.
And I like to play with flavors. So smell this for me.
It's nice.
So this is not soy sauce.
No.
This is balsamic vinegar. And it's a flavor that I experimented with.
Could you get that in any grocery?
And most supermarkets you should be able to get the balsamic vinegar.
Massy, everybody. Massy.
Balsamic vinegar, right? And this is the flavor. So we're gonna do a balsamic glazed chicken breast. Now, let me simply tell you, Terri, it's no real maths. This is balsamic vinegar that you get out of a bottle. Equal parts balsamic vinegar. So I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons. You can follow this recipe on trinicooks.com. This is no maths. And I have some honey. For those of you who were here last week, I use Herb White honey. That's one of my local artisans that I use. I am going to put equal parts honey, equal parts balsamic vinegar. So 2 tablespoons honey goes in there. To that, I have some garlic. I have some garlic. And
in the fancy crusher.
I don't chop up garlic, yeah. I am not in chopping up garlic and that kind of thing.
So for those of us who do not have that fancy thing at home,
yeah.
We will cut ours.
Yeah, you use one of these. You use one of these if you, yeah. But Joel, I don't like to waste time in the kitchen. In, out, follow the recipe, put on the plate, and that's it. So this is our garlic press.
Yeah.
Hey! garlic crushed and that's it. So that there, guys, I just mix this together. Just a little salt. And I'm going to set this aside. I have lovely chicken breast here. I have put together a little combination of spices. This combination, very, very simple. Salt, pepper is the base, but I have some thyme, some basil, all herbs that I added in here. I have some smoked paprika that I also added in here. So it's a little nice herb mix that I am just going to liberally sprinkle all over this chicken. Now, ideally, guys, you would want to do this and allow the herbs to marinate probably overnight. Yeah. So I would allow this to marinate overnight, but you want to rub it in. Use your hands. Don't be afraid to use your hands.
Trust me.
Yeah, your hands is your best tool in the kitchen.
We Trinidadians use our hands.
Yes, you understand? Don't be afraid to get your hands a little dirty. I know sometimes, now I ain't see no nails there, girl.
Because I came prepared to lick.
Yeah. I know the ladies have nails and they take them nails very seriously.
The food does end up between the nails.
Yeah, between the nails. You're not on that nails thing. Yeah, you're not on that nails thing. So yeah, so you make sure you get it all in between everywhere. Ideally, as I said, leave this overnight and allow it to marinate. To that now, I'm going to prepare to get this chicken in the oven. I have tomatoes chopped. A greased dish.
Is it tomato or tomatoes?
It is tomato, potato. Which one you choose? Onions, tomatoes, mix. I'm not adding salt to this. The balsamic vinegar is a very strong flavor, right? Once this is nice and seasoned overnight, you lay it on top this lovely bed of tomatoes and onions. And then you take your balsamic vinegar and honey mixture.
And pour.
Yeah. Feel free. You gotta eat both sides of the chicken. So make sure you get the balsamic under the chicken as well, right? Grease dish. And this goes in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes.
At what heat?
At 375. Now there's a little trick. I like to put twists on things. So I wasn't just happy with just balsamic baked chicken. Just when it finished bake, I had some grated cheddar cheese that was watching me kind of hard in the fridge.
Okay.
So I just took the cheddar cheese and I sprinkled it over and then put it back in the oven for just about 5 minutes.
And came out.
And guess what?
What? Finished
I got
cook
this.
already? What kind of oven?
Yeah, this is a super oven. This is a super oven, Terri. I got this. So to plate this up for you, so this is cheesy balsamic baked chicken. To plate this up for you, Terri, I decided to toss some pasta with this for you.
Nice.
So here's the good thing about this. This is the chicken all well, nicely done. I just want to rest the chicken here. You see this baby here? I hope you're getting that. That's lovely balsamic flavored onions, tomatoes. It's a wonderful flavor. Balsamic is a little acid, and that's why we use the honey. The honey balances it off well, and it's a wonderful flavor. So I have here, Terri, some pasta, some spaghetti. You can use any pasta, but I like spaghetti for this. And to the spaghetti, all I am going to do is toss this baby in here. Boiled spaghetti.
Because we waste nothing.
Waste nothing. You toss that spaghetti.
Oh.
And I'm ready to plate for you, my darling. I am ready to plate for you.
And I'm
Let's
ready
get this
to
out
eat.
of the way. So I have everything balsamic flavored.
Yum, 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 yum. But just for the TV, you pour me this little bit. Just for TV.
Terri can get seconds.
Just a little bit.
Terri can get seconds. And over that, Terri's a lion, guys, so Terri need a little more. Terri need a little more. Terri and Lyons, please try when you go home for your son. I know you do a lot of cooking at home. My cheesy balsamic baked chicken over some pasta. Ladies and gentlemen, Terri Lyons.
Woo!